Latest crypto and NFT news. What's next for the Sandbox's Lands NFT and Sand token? The Sandbox is among the leading metaverse platforms in the world. According to NFT the number of holders of land decreased by 6.07% and there are currently 16,740 owners on board. Sand, which is the native coin built on Ethereum, declined to 92% from its all-time high due to crypto winter. Nonetheless, the Sandbox team has been actively updating and announcing partnerships with various brands and companies around the world. Its recent Alpha Season 3 is a complete success, bringing users from all over the world to participate. The platform is currently on a mission to educate the masses about the metaverse and promote the creator economy to new artists and creators in the space. The Sandbox's progress will push Sand up. Although the Sand token's price isn't up to notch when compared to high-ranking platforms, the Sandbox's continuous progress is most likely to push its position upwards. Visit our website for more news.